In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a sprint in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can kick off your team's next sprint with confidence. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira workspace and that you have access to the project where you want to run the sprint. Starting a sprint usually requires specific permissions, so if you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need to ask your Jira admin to adjust your access. From the main Jira dashboard, start by clicking into the project where you want to manage your sprint. This will typically be a software project that already has a board configured. You can find it in your recent projects list or through the projects menu at the top. Once you open the project, you'll land on whatever default view is set, often the board or the summary page. Next, we need to move into the backlog view, because that's where sprints are created and started. Look for the option labeled backlog in the side menu or near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on backlog. This view shows you all upcoming work that hasn't been started yet, as well as any planned but not yet active sprints. In the backlog, you should see a section for your upcoming sprint. It may be called something like Sprint 1 or have a custom name, depending on how your team set it up. Before starting the sprint, it's a good idea to quickly check that the right issues are included, priorities look correct, and your sprint goal, if you're using one, is agreed upon by the team. You can drag and drop issues into the sprint if you need to adjust what's in scope. When you're ready to begin, look for the button labeled Start Sprint. This is usually located near the name of the sprint you're about to run. Click Start Sprint. Jira will then prompt you to confirm some details, such as the sprint name, start date, and end date. Make sure the dates match your team's usual sprint length, for example 1 or 2 weeks, and adjust them if needed.